Bonjour à tous, bienvenue pour la leçon numéro 9. Today, very important lesson. We are going to learn how to say what we like and don't like in French. We will use three useful verbs. Aimer, we already know that one because we've been using it, but we will discover two other verbs. Adorer, to love, 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 and détester, to hate something. Let's practice them together. On attaque, c'est parti. So, how to exprimer les goûts? Express taste in French. Look at that. J'aime la musique. I like music. J'adore le chocolat. Bit dramatic, right? I am a bit dramatic. I'm French. Drama is my whole life. And it's true. J'adore le chocolat. I love chocolate so much, it's ridiculous. Je déteste les épinards. I hate spinach. That is not true. I like everything. I love everything. But it's an example. Je déteste les épinards. I hate spinach. J'aime regarder des films. I like watching movies. J'adore danser. I love dancing. That is true, actually. I love dancing. I'm not a good dancer, but I love dancing. J'adore danser. I love to dance. Repeat after me. J'aime la musique. Plus rapidement. J'aime la musique. Second one. J'adore le chocolat. My stomach is making strange noise because I'm speaking about chocolate. Faster. J'adore le chocolat. Last one. Je déteste les épinards. We do the liaison. Les épinards. Plus rapidement. Je déteste les épinards. Super, fantastique, j'adore. Little bit of grammar and sentence tips. These verbs, aimer, adorer, détester, can be followed by a noun or an infinitive. J'adore manger. J'aime faire du sport. Je déteste regarder la télé. But when they are followed by a noun, j'aime la musique, le cinéma, les crêpes, l'opéra, the noun will always be preceded by an article, masculine, le, féminine, la, plural, les. If it starts with a vowel, L apostrophe. So the gender of the article depends on the gender of the noun. You just have to practice a little bit to remember it. But we will practice right now. Okay, everybody, fill the blank with le, la, les, o, l apostrophe. You have to choose. You don't have to use all of them. Je déteste mathématiques. I hate mathematics. It's plural. J'adore fraises. That's true. I love strawberries. It's plural. Plural, everybody. J'aime soleil. I love the sun. The sun is masculine in French. Je n'aime pas chaleur. I don't like the heat. That's true. And it's a feminine word, chaleur. So, what articles are we going to use here? Je déteste, mathématiques, j'adore, fraises, j'aime, soleil, je n'aime pas, chaleur. The answer, Je déteste les mathématiques. Don't say less. Non, les. Je déteste les mathématiques. That is not true. J'adore les mathématiques. J'adore les fraises. That is true. J'adore les fraises. J'aime le soleil masculine. Je n'aime pas la chaleur. That is true as well. Je déteste la chaleur. So you see, we can say je n'aime pas, I don't like, but if we want to be a little bit more dramatic, like French, for example, we can say je déteste la chaleur. I hate the heat. I truly hate the heat. Ah, a question to practice that is really important, everybody. I told you that every time we have a lesson, you need to know how to ask a question in order to engage the people you want to talk with. The more question you ask, the more the conversation is going to be interesting and you will learn something as well. So, the easiest question ever, just say j'adore le sport. Et toi? I love sport. What about you? And you? J'adore le sport. Et toi? The answer can be oui. Moi aussi. J'aime le sport. Yes, me too. Moi aussi. You remember the hashtag me too? In French, it's hashtag moi aussi. J'adore le sport. Et toi? Oui, moi aussi. J'aime ou j'adore le sport. But the answer can be moi non. Me no. Moi non. J'aime le repos, le calme. I like calm. I like rest. Another question. Est-ce que tu aimes les maths? Remember when we ask with est-ce que, the answer is always oui, yes or no, no. Est-ce que tu aimes les maths? Do you like math? Oui. J'adore ça. Non, there's a mistake here. If I say je déteste, the answer should be no. Non, je déteste ça. Oui, j'aime ça. Ça, we use it to say I like it. This, that. It's not for a person. It's for something, an object, or something which is not an object, a topic, just something. OK? Donc, j'adore le sport. Et toi? Oui, moi aussi, j'aime le sport. Moi, non, j'aime le repos. Ou je n'aime pas le sport. Est-ce que tu aimes les maths? Oui, j'adore ça. Oui, j'aime ça. Non, je déteste ça. Ça, which is a substitute for les mathématiques. Tu aimes les maths? Non, je déteste ça. Je déteste les mathématiques. Oui, j'aime ça. J'aime les mathématiques. Oui, j'adore ça. J'adore les mathématiques. Repeat after me. Moi aussi. Plus rapidement. Moi aussi. It's a bit hard, right? Second one. Est-ce que tu aimes le cinéma? Do you like cinema? Do you like movies? Faster? Est-ce que tu aimes le cinéma? Last one. Oui, j'adore ça. Oui, j'adore ça. Super tout le monde, bon travail, on vous félicite. Woo, woo, woo. We're going deeper in the French language. We learned many things. Okay, live exercise right now. Answer the question. Answer my question, everybody. J'adore le chocolat. Et toi? Toi aussi? Toi non? Tell me. You can also write the sentence in the comment of this video if you want to. J'adore le chocolat. Et toi? Second one. Est-ce que tu aimes les fraises? Est-ce que tu aimes les fraises? Magnifique tout le monde. Little recap. OK. Listen and repeat with me. J'aime la musique. J'adore le chocolat. Je déteste les épinards. Et toi? Moi aussi. Moi, non. Great. Now what? You guys know what's going to happen now. I strongly invite you to join the Telegram group where you will find all the PDF with vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation topic, where you can also do some exercise, write, interact with the community, record yourself speaking in French, listen to all the people recording themselves. Bref, just be part of that French community we are building all together. I see you soon. Ciao, ciao. Salut, salut.